We are pleased to show you the 2019 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power liftgate, air conditioning, dual airbags, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.